Dr. Esther Trufan, and in this video, I am going to demonstrate how to make slime. Now, this experiment is going to be our basic recipe for slime, and I will give you some pointers on how you can modify it to make your own version. For this experiment, we're going to need some multi-purpose solution, otherwise known as contact solution. I am going to use clear glue, but feel free to use either colored or white glue. I will be using some baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. I will be using some blue food coloring, but feel free to choose any color that you prefer. We are going to use some deionized water, and this is optional. You may also use some shaving cream. For our equipment, we're going to need a scale, a 50 or 25 milliliter graduated cylinder, a clear cup, or any other container in which you are comfortable mixing things, ideally not a beaker because it is difficult to clean, and a stirring rod. For this experiment, we're going to begin with measuring 30 grams of our glue in our container. So I will turn on my scale, add my clear cup to it, tare it, open the glue bottle, and measure my 30 grams of glue. It is just a little bit over at 30.22 grams. I will set this to the side, and then I am going to use a weighing boat to measure 4 grams of baking soda. I will place my weighing boat on the scale, tare it, and then measure close to 4 grams of baking soda. I have exactly 4.00 grams, and with that, I am done with my baking soda, and I am done with my mass measurements, so I can set my scale to the side. Now, going back to my glue, the first thing I am going to do is measure out 20 milliliters of water. It is just a little bit more. It is 20.7 milliliters. I will pour this into the cup with the glue, and then I will mix the two with a stirring rod. Once combined, I am ready to add my food coloring. I will add 2 drops. This is a really nice blue color. And now I will add my baking soda. It is turning a little grainier. But we want to create a uniform composition for our mixture. Our final measurement will be 10 milliliters of our multi-purpose or contact solution. My volume is 10.0 milliliters, and I am ready to pour this into my previously prepared mixture. And now it's time to mix. And I think we got slime. It is definitely stretchy, and we can mix it a little bit more to form a more uniform composition. All right, so this is a good start. From here, you can manipulate the combination at your choosing. You can come up with a recipe in which you add increasingly larger or smaller amounts of water. You can come up with a recipe where you increase or decrease your sodium bicarbonate amounts. You can do the same for the amount of multi-purpose solution or the amount of glue. And optionally, you can add small or large increments of shaving cream into your recipe. And at the end, it is important to note that this is a science class, especially a chemistry class, in which the experiment doesn't count if you don't record your observations. So for each of your experiments, record the modification and record the outcome and how it differs from the original recipe that you attempted.